just ask me a question. Why? I know we can't talk of this thing, or I'm a hypocrite. Because I can't insult the Muslim way they do Kumasi. Say why they will go do video there, threat to and say why they insulting too for. Why claim say if he be chief imam way they insult, like they will support that thing. But no be say Tony Jonas insult the elders, no. I support that guy. The insult them, I not support them. I know they support the insult. But the way they put the Ghanaian leaders on their toes, you know, that be the reason why maybe they like them. They like what they do. But even if you insult the Muslim, Charlie, insulting Muslim, if they are not doing the right thing way insult them, me I not get problem with that. But my opinion is that Tony Jonas, the way he insult the say Prophet Muhammad, the matter come inside. You know? That be why me too I can't do video. Or that be why the question you ask me I can't say something about it. We will, you know, all the prophets, Moses, Jesus, Isa, Noah, they give they are the leaders who bring some scriptures. Even though some people don't believe in that scripture, but we believe them. We believe Bible, Quran, and this thing. So not be say they insult some people they insult Jesus and this thing. No, people they insult Jesus and this thing. Who told you say we know the support? We don't support. We don't bab that thing. We don't support that thing. But the way we go do them talk, and if you go talk, they go talk say, hey, Muslim, they can't insult Jesus, they do this thing. You see, Christians do have to stand, say no, Jesus be our leader, our founder. If some insult become, we need to for stand. But sometimes with the own Muslim, we they react things, you know. That's why they let people they talk say, oh no, Muslim will be like that. If you insult chief imam, normal this thing people, Muslims like me, my father and thing, that one will not get problem. But the time you can't put the prophet inside, you know, you let your matter become something like this. Because you will the talk, you get followers with the Muslims. I mean, get where some of the Muslims to the share your thing, some of the Christians they share. But you know, if we not they support insult the prophet, Jesus, Moses, and Muhammad and stuff, no. But we the people we did the country inside. Muhammad and they don't come Ghana, or Jesus no come Ghana. But it be we did Ghana. So if better of Ghana we will define. So if the Ghana they do something for Ghana, where the Ghana they move well. I want if we not they insult the prophet or the founders and the leaders, I will get me. If you know they believe in scriptures, some of we you know they believe in. So if you know they come then so that one they go bring hatred. But you know say Muslims, so sometimes the way they react things, you know, they let people they talk say no we verse or that. No, not the verse by Prophet Muhammad, no. The way matter day in the Quran and this thing. That's why sometimes if you insult them, go see Macron what happened in France. Have you see even the France president just did something? Go and see. Because it is in the scriptures that everyone fight him, even though God will fight for the prophet himself. But we too have to do something and see that no, they have touched the prophet and this thing. That's why. So my brother who asked me, this is my humble opinion. But secondly, I want to talk to the Muslim guys. If something happened like this, you all have to talk something. Maybe it's the person don't know. That's why he said that. Or due to some hungriness and say that's why I said that. Even in the Prophet Muhammad time, a lot of people came to him and he sought him. He forgive them. You see? So sometimes, you know, the way they go talk or react on certain things, you know, being go let people go talk say, these people they be that. Yeah, so make you humble. Not be say go kill him or no, that one killing and threatening you go beat him that one there. I don't think say that one good. That's my humble opinion. I don't think that one is good. You can advise the person, you can talk to the I see Peace Dawa, one of the YouTube bloggers. Yeah, the humble opinion, the way he talk to you and react. Even he's trying to say Islam is international. If you go to America, if you try to challenge Islam, maybe if you try to insult Islam, and you know, some people can report you. There, you know, some of the Arabs are there. That some people. So that one is no need. Just forget about that. Just know what we are doing and stuff, and forget everything what is going on. Yeah. Secondly, yeah, Tony Jonas no be say like we they support the insult they do, make people understand or make their elders understand. You know they support the insult they do, but the betterment of Ghana we will define. So if they put the elder, what you go do, you go put the elder people on their toes, you know, that will define. Have you get me? So and then America, the elders no be jam on us in America. and what I say. If you insult chief imam then thing that one day like you no get any problem, yeah, big get. Even recently Kumasi they say they go. Me that I don't support the Kumasi people, they can they do all the cases they in case Chief Jonas, that one there no good. I will see the thing. So this is my humble opinion on that. And second, thirdly, some people don't know Trinity Jonas. So Trinity Jonas, in America there be Aduro house he dey Aduro inside. If you don't know Aduro, make I tell you, the people they Europe, they did Germany, Spain, Europe, especially entirely Europe, and those who did America, some part of America and Canada, they understand the Aduro. The Aduro, if you come here, go and know the Aduro. You all, many people pass the Aduro inside before they can survive. Have you get me? And still people did Aduro inside. So Jonas, if you Aduro inside the day, according to source I get, if they Aduro inside, where they find some reason we take catch can. You know, say Ghana, sometimes if they use Ghana crop Aduro for some countries, you know they be like that. So if they find something based on what you go and tell them, they find some videos be. That's why through that whole thing where you can't do one video, and two, and she say no, the thing far. So that's why they let they do more. You can't get followers, so they do. So the film or the more followers you can't get to know, they didn't hide inside. So you letting they talk anyhow. So that one, sometimes we forget them say no, that guy, they used the videos they do to do something. So make you know first sometimes when you talk certain things, you can teach him, tell him humble opinion. Even recently one of his video, the way he come the polish out and things, he say no, what he can't talk, no, he shakes more. What the Muslim people they talk, he listen to them by their good, because recently kind of talk they insult only the Muslim by leave the prophet and this thing. He say no. As for the prophet, what he said, no, you do mistake. That's how people. But you don't have to come outside and apologize to a Muslim. I'm sorry, no. That one there, I know to say it good because insult Christian, insult Jesus, and blah blah blah. That one, nobody can talk anything. Even though the Christians sometimes you have to come and support your founder and leader. No be say anytime somebody goes say no. If you wanted to do so, people go like to say no. Which kind of religion be that? But I don't know, Charlie. So sometimes if something is going on, you have to come and all of us support and tell the person no, this that you are doing is not good. You don't have to support the founders, the leader, prophet, or the prophets. But individual person like we, we will not get anything. We will not get any koto. We will not go. Akoba himself, we will not get. So we know go feel insult we. Our fathers, our mother, chief imam do something we no good. Insult them. Everybody will dey Ghana. They do something we no good. Insult them. That one there. If you insult we go let the person go do the right thing. Actually, that one will go support you. Everybody will go do that thing. That one.